Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 through 2025 Audi A6 Allroad with the factory installed raised side rails. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Edge base roof rack system. This is made up of the Edge foot pack, which comes in a set of 4 for raised rails. And the front load bar is the 95 centimeter length bar, and the rear bar 86 centimeter. So these are in black, but silver is also available. Locks can also be picked up for additional security. But this system offers you a 30-inch crossbar spacing with 165-pound carrying capacity. So a really great low-profile rack for carrying different types of gear and accessories. For easy ordering of this kit or more details and pictures, please visit our website with the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this quick vehicle walk around. But thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.